Okay, fat vim macro coming in. This function here, and all of these functions down here, all need to be replaced to look like this function here. So we're going to take the dataset type, the TP measure, and the year from the title of the function, and then shove them into this build test function, replacing this fatter version written here. I'm going to do this with the vim macro. So we'll start here. First thing, we will go forward to the first underscore, forward another one. Now, this could either be LCRA, LCHO, or combined, so we can't do it based on the number of letters. So we'll highlight until the next underscore, and we'll yank that. And then we'll go down one, we'll highlight, go down two more lines. We will then immediately realize that this is going to overwrite the thing we just copied, but we don't mind because we can pull it out of the register. Then we'll delete that. Go back up one, O to go down, and enter here. Write out the function. Put some, open up some speech marks, and then we'll do speech mark 0, and then paste the last thing we copied, and then we'll highlight and we'll go back to those speech marks. We highlight the whole thing, and then we'll hit capital U to capitalize that. And we'll go to the end, and we'll put speech mark on the end of it, and then a comma, and then a space, and then escape. We'll go back up, and then we'll ponder. We'll stop and ponder now. So we can go to the end of the line just to be safe, and then we'll go back to the final lowercase t on the line because this will always be the t in TP. And then from here we'll highlight and we'll go towards the underscore. We could have just yanked to the underscore, but I guess this is a little safer. You know, we get to see what we're highlighting in case we make a mistake. But yank that. We'll go down, we'll go to the end, we'll open up speech mark, we'll paste that, highlight, go back to the speech mark, capital U again, go to the end again, another speech mark, comma, space, escape, we'll go up, we'll go to the end just to be safe. I did just click $sign there, it just didn't do anything. And then we'll go back to this open bracket, we'll go back another one, highlight, and then we'll go back to the underscore, pick up the year, down to the end, paste, bracket. And we're not done yet. Now we need to go 2 down to the start of the line, and then word. And that's the macro. Now we have 1, 2, 3, I lost myself, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these tests, I think. So we'll do 7 capital Q, and it won't work because there's a comment there. So we'll do 3 capital Q, and it works. And then we'll do 3 capital Q, and there we go. Just like that, we cleaned up the whole thing. Amazing.